Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn and play with new toys. This is the wooden train, and this one is the train head. It will be attached with the other parts. This red item needs to be put at the train head. We need to put it through the hole. This is how it looks like. For this part, we need to put the puzzles with the big hole in the middle. This is small circle-shaped puzzles. It has one big hole, and it is green in color. Let's put it. The next one is blue puzzles. It also has a big hole, and it is circle shape. This one has the same hole like the others. It is red and circle. This is yellow puzzles. It has tiny holes and a big hole. It's also circle-shaped. Let's put it. This is the stopper. We need to place it through the yellow puzzle's tiny holes. Ta-da! The train's head is finished.
Woo!
This is the other train's part. It has one peg. Let's find the puzzle that matched this peg. This puzzle is rectangular-shaped puzzle. It is blue in color and it has two holes. 1, 2. Oh no, it doesn't match the peg. Let's find the other puzzles. This is yellow puzzle. It is circle-shaped and also has one hole. It fits. Next, green puzzle. The shape is round and it also has one hole. This is blue puzzle. It is round in shape and a hole just same with the others. This is red circle puzzle. It has one hole in the middle.
Woo!
This side has two pegs. 1, 2. Let's find the puzzles that can fit. This is red puzzle. It is rectangle in shape and it has two holes. 1, 2. Let's put it. It fits. This blue puzzle is rectangle and it has two holes. It also fits. This is green rectangle puzzle. It looks exactly the same like the others. This is yellow puzzle and it is rectangle in shape. This second train part is done.
Woo!
Let's do the last part. This part has 3 pegs. Let's see if this fits. This is blue puzzle and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes. It is square in shape. Oh no, the puzzle does not fit. Let's find the other puzzle. This is the same blue puzzle, but this one is triangle in shape, and it has 3 holes. It fits! Next is red puzzle. It is also triangle in shape, and it has 3 holes. This triangle puzzle is yellow in color. It has 3 holes as well. This is green puzzle. It has 3 holes and it is triangle. This is green puzzle. It is square in shape and it has 4 holes. It fits. This is yellow puzzle. It is square and it has 4 holes too. This one is red, square shapes puzzle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes. This is blue puzzle. It is square in shape. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes. It is finished.
Woo!
These are the train parts. Now let's put these parts together. Wow!
Woo!
We have built the train.